In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a private server for Grow a Garden here on Roblox that works on PlayStation or Xbox consoles. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, obviously, if you've played Grow a Garden before, you already know how chaotic public servers can get. People farming right on top of you, stealing crops, lag, and that's why a private server is a total game changer. Obviously, with your own private server, you're going to get no random stealing your harvest. It's going to be a lot easier to access rare event spawns like the Beanstalk or Eclipse mutations. You're also going to get way faster farming without lag, clean gameplay for YouTube and TikTok, and honestly, just overall a much more relaxing experience with just you and your friends. The catch is, on console, you can't directly create a private server, but don't worry, I'm going to show you a simple workaround that I personally use. Now, firstly, you are going to need to make a second Roblox account. Think of this account as your server manager, and what you're going to want to do is simply just make sure that you do have your main account added on that console as a friend. So in my case, I've already done this. This is my alt account right here, sub to just Boz. Now, what you're going to want to do is either have a secondary device for this, like a mobile device, like an iPad, an iPhone, or even a PC. And what you're going to want to do is open up Roblox.com on that secondary device. So in my case, I'm going to be using a PC for this, but you could use whatever you'd like. And make sure that you're signed in to your alt account on that device. So in my case, as you can see, I'm already signed in up at the very top. You're going to want to sign in here. And on top of that, just make sure that you have your main account on your PlayStation added, which, as you can see, I once again already have. Now from here, go ahead and navigate to the Grow a Garden page just like so, and hit this little servers tab and scroll down on this page until you see a option that says create a private server. Now I already created a private server, but select this and it's actually free in order to create one. So go ahead and create one, and then from here, hit done and click this little more section here to configure your private server. It's going to pull up a page that looks like this, and you're going to want to go ahead and select this add people option here and just search up your main account's username. So in my case, my main account's username is actually ALA Games. Go ahead and select it and then hit add just like so, and it's going to add them in here, and just make sure that you tick allow joining on and connections allowed on right here. Now from here, on your alt account, which is going to be your main device, which is going to be my PC right now, go ahead and hit join on this private server and then open up the Roblox game client. And as you get loaded in, what you're going to want to do is actually go back onto your PlayStation or your Xbox. So as you can see, I'm now back on my PlayStation or my Xbox. Now what you're going to want to do is from your PlayStation, go ahead and select on your alt account just like so. And from here, you'll be prompted to join their server. If you select it and it looks something like this, just give it a little bit of time. It hasn't registered that they're actually in their game yet, so keep that in mind. You may have to wait about 5 minutes. But after doing so, you'll be able to load into a Grow a Garden private server. And the best part is you can actually go ahead and leave that private server on your main account in order to go ahead and just play on your alt or just play on your main. The server owner doesn't have to be in that private server for you to play. They just have to be in it initially when you go ahead and join. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.